You've probably heard of Bitwala, the crypto banking app that lets you manage Bitcoin, Ether, and Euros all in one place. But what if you could do more than just use their services? What if you could actually own a piece of the company itself? That's where the Bitwala token comes in. It's not just another cryptocurrency, it's a security token that gives you a stake in the company. So, how do you get your hands on one? First and foremost, it's crucial to understand what you're buying. The Bitwala token is a tokenized profit participation right, which from a regulatory standpoint is classified as a security. This is a game changer because it gives you rights that go beyond a typical utility token. Instead of just being a tool to access a service, the Bitwala token makes you an investor with the potential for dividends and participation in future exits. This is not financial advice, but it's important to be aware of the distinction. The tokens are issued on the Tokenized IT platform, a German platform for security token offerings, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. The first step in the buying process is to visit the official Bitwala website. On their site, you'll find a dedicated section for the token offering, which will direct you to the Tokenized IT platform. You must go through a verification process, which includes standard Know Your Customer, or KYC, and anti-money laundering, or AML, procedures. Since this is a regulated security, these steps are non-negotiable and are in place to protect both you and the company. You'll need to provide identity documents and other required information. Once you've successfully completed the verification, you can proceed to the investment phase. The process is designed to be straightforward. On the Tokenized IT platform, you can decide how many tokens you want to purchase. The minimum investment is typically 1 token, with the price set at the company's current valuation. Bitwala has made a point of offering the tokens at the same price to everyone, from retail investors to professional VCs, which democratizes access to early-stage investment opportunities. After you've selected your investment amount, you'll need to commit to the purchase. The platform will guide you through the payment options. Once the transaction is complete, your Bitwala tokens will be issued and stored in a compatible digital wallet. The tokens are based on the ERC20 standard, so you'll need a wallet that supports this. Bitwala has a planned secondary market via Tokenized IT for 2025, which will give you the flexibility to sell your tokens in the future. While the tokens don't come with formal voting rights, they do offer an option to convert them into traditional shares with voting rights at a later date. Moreover, Bitwala is committed to listening to its token holders and considers them important stakeholders in shaping the future of the company. So, you're not just an investor, you're also part of a community. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.